Good morning, students. Welcome back to plus 2 second year English. The name of the prose is On Examinations, written by Winston S. Churchill. We have already discussed some of its paragraphs. Today, we shall begin from the scratch, and the scratch is from the learning point. Think it out. Questions. Here is the first question. What kind of students were taught Latin and Greek at Harrow? The cleverer students were taught Latin and Greek at Harrow. Question number 2, and it is like this: which students were taught only English? The dull students were taught only English. How does the writer rate English as a subject and Mr. Somerville a teacher? Somerville is a teacher, right? The question is, how does the writer rate English as a subject and Mr. Somerville as a teacher? As a teacher, the writer rates English that it should be read for earning livelihood. The English teacher Mr. Somerville was a delightful man. He taught in a unique manner, and he had his own method of teaching. He always parsed the sentence or divided the sentence into subject, object, verb, and clauses, and taught the students. Next question is question number 4. Let's move to the next page. Yes, it is like this. What part of the English grammar did he learn from Mr. Somerville? Churchill learnt parsing from Mr. Somerville. It included identifying and using subject, verb, object, clauses, etc. How did he score over the clever school fellows in after years? This is question number 5. The clever students first studied Latin and Greek while Churchill studied English. When the clever students returned to English class, Churchill had already got much knowledge in English and scored over others. Question number 6, it is like this. Why was he biased in favor of boys learning English language? He was biased in favor of boys learning English language because English would give them just job opportunity, would earn their bread. Now let's move to Unit 3, warm up. Aren't students at school fun loving? Yes, students are very fun loving. Do young students play pranks with their school fellows? Yes, young students play a lot of pranks with their school fellows. मजा करती पिलांडिया मजा करती. Read the following unit of the text and note how the writer describes a funny incident he was involved with at a school. At a Harrow, when the writer was a student, there took place a funny incident. And the next paragraphs of the topic are about the funny incident that took place during his time at during his study time at study career at Harrow. Okay, now let's move to the text. I first went to Harrow. I means who? Churchill, the writer. First went to Harrow. Went to where? Went to Harrow. In the summer term. Yes, this was the time, summer time. And during summer term, he went to Harrow. The school possessed the biggest swimming bath. There was a swimming bath at Harrow. And it was the biggest one. The writer had ever seen. Se jaha dekhithile ta tharu semana madhyaru this one was the biggest one. It was more like the bend of a river. Gote ନଦୀର ବାଙ୍କ ସଦୃଶ୍ୟ ତ ବାଙ୍କ ଠାରୁ ଟିକେ ଅଧିକ ଥିଲା ଦେନ୍ ଏ ବାଥ୍. ଏଇଟା ବାଥ୍ ଅପେକ୍ଷା ଗୋଟେ ବଙ୍କା ଥିଲା, ନଦୀର ବାଙ୍କ ଭଳିଆ ଥିଲା. ଏଣ୍ଡ ଇଟ୍ ହ୍ୟାଡ୍ ଟୁ ବ୍ରିଜେସ୍ ଏକ୍ରସ୍ ଇଟ୍. ଆ ଉପରେ ଦୁଇଟା ବ୍ରିଜ୍ ପଡ଼ିଥିଲା, ରାଇଟ୍? ଥିଦେର୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ମିନ୍ସ ଦେର୍ we used to repair for hours a lot of time. ସେମାନେ ସେଇଠି ବହୁତ ସମୟ ରହୁଥିଲେ, ବସୁଥିଲେ and spend time and bask between our dips. ପ୍ରତି ବୁଡ଼ନ ପରେ ଆମେ ସୂର୍ଯ୍ୟ କିରଣ ପୋଉଁଥିଲୁ ବା ଖରା ପୋଉଁଥିଲୁ. ବାସ୍କ ବିଟୱିନ୍ ମିନ୍ସ ବାସ୍କ ଖରା ପୋଇବା. ଇଟିଂ ଏନର୍ମସ୍ ବନ୍ସ, ଗୁଡ଼ାଏ ବନ୍ ଖାଇ ଖାଇ on the hot asphalt margin. Naturally, it was a, let's move, good joke. It was a good joke to come up behind some naked friend. କୌଣସି ଏକ ଲଙ୍ଗଳା ସାଙ୍ଗର ପଛରେ ଆସିବା or even enemy, ଏମିତିକି ଜଣେ ଶତ୍ରୁର ପଛରେ ଆସିବା and pushed him and ତାକୁ ଠେଲି ଦେବା. Really joke. It was a really joke. I made quite a habit of this. ମୁଁ ଏଇଟାର ଅଭ୍ୟାସ କରିଦେଇଥିଲି. with ବେଶ୍ ଅଭ୍ୟାସ କରିଥିଲି with boys of my own size or less. ମୋ ସାଇଜ୍ର କିମ୍ବା ମୋଠୁ ଟିକେ କମ୍ ସାଇଜ୍ର ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କ ସହିତ ଏଇ ଯୋଗ କରିବା I have made a quite habit of it. ଅଭ୍ୟାସ ହେଇଥିଲା. That means he used to come behind the boys who were of his size or less and pushed him in, that means into the pond, and made a joke of it. And he had developed this habit, bad habit, a lot. Who? The writer. One day, when I had been no more than a month, it had not been a month since Churchill joined the school. ମାସେ ହିଁ ନଥିଲା ସ୍କୁଲରେ ଜଏନ୍ କରିବା, ମାସେ ହିଁ ନଥିଲା. In the school, I saw a boy standing. Who saw? Churchill saw. What? A boy. What was the boy doing? The boy was standing in a meditative posture. ଧ୍ୟାନମଗ୍ନ भलिया ध्यानमग्न अवस्था रे पोस्चर ढंगरे ध्यानमग्न ढंगरे रापड दैट मीन्स कवर्ड इन ए टावाल टावाल ता घोड़ी ऑन दी वेरी बिग से तटरे बात सो who saw whom the writer saw a boy. What was the boy doing? He was standing where at the brink of the bath or swimming pool. In which posture? In a meditative posture. Wrapped in what? Wrapped in a towel. Could you understand? He was no bigger than I was. ମୁଁ ଯେଠି ତା ବଡ଼ ସେ ତାଠୁ ବଡ଼ ନଥିଲେ ମୋଠୁ ବଡ଼ ନଥିଲେ. So I thought him very game. I thought I must made a joke with him, made a game of him. Coming stealthily means ଲୁଚି ଛପି ଆସି behind ତା ପଛରେ ଲୁଚି ଆସି I pushed him in. I pushed ଠେଲିଦେଲି. स्विमिंग बाथ को स्विमिंग पूल भीतर पड़े स्विमिंग पूल भीतर को आई पुस्ड हिम होल्डिंग ऑन टू हिज टावल आउट ऑफ ह्यूमैनिटी मानविकता दृष्टि तार टावल धरी पकड़े एंड पुस्ड हिम इन सो दैट इट शुड नॉट गेट वेट जहाँफल कि टावल उदा हेनी तो विथ दिस थॉट आई होल्ड द टावर एंड पुस्ड द बॉय इनटू द पॉन्ड swimming pool. I was startled. I pushed him, but I was startled. ମୁଁ ଚମକି ପଡ଼ିଲି ଘାବରା ହେଇଗଲି ଟୁ ସି ଏ ଫ୍ୟୁରିୟସ୍ ଫେସ୍ ଏମର୍ଜ ଫ୍ରମ୍ ଦି ଫର୍ମ ସେଇ ସୁଇମିଂ ପୁଲ୍ର ଫର୍ମ ଭିତରୁ ଗୋଟିଏ ଭୟଙ୍କର ମୁହଁ ବାହାରି ଆସୁଥିବାର ଦେଖି ଆଇ ୱାଜ୍ startled ଚମକି ଗଲି ଚକିତ ହୋଇଗଲି ଘାବରାଇଲେ एंड बीइंग एविडेंटली आप एनॉर्मस स्ट्रेंथ एते दावे शक्ति थिला मेक इट्स वे शक्ति कटे से आसी बाय फ्यूरियस स्ट्रोक्स टू दी स्टोर समुद्र स्विमिंग पूल कूल आड़क सी क्षिप्र गति आसी विथ फ्यूरियस फोर्स भयंकर गति आई फ्लेड मु भयर धाई पड़ेली हु द राइटर फ्लेड हु फ्लेड द राइटर फ्लेड चर्चिल फ्लेड बट इन वेन बट बेकार आई कुड नॉट रन कुड अंडरस्टैंड स्विफ्ट एट दि विंड पवनर बेग सदृश्य माई परस्यूअर अनुधावक यू नो ए पर्सन हु परस्यू इज कॉल्ड परस्यूअर माई परस्यूअर अनुधावक ओवरटुक मी मत अतिक्रम कर पलि आसला एंड सीज्ड मी मत धरी पकईला काबू करदेला हु केम द परस्यूअर एंड ओवरटुक हुम द राइटर सीज्ड हुम द राइटर इन ए फिरोसियस ग्रिप भयंकर भावे मत धरी पकईला एंड हाल्ड फिंगी देला थ्रू मी इनटू द डीपेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द पूल से पोखरीर अति गभीरतम प्रदेश को फोपाड़ी देला हु द बॉय यस आई सून स्क्रम्बल्ड आउट मु संगे संगे से पूल कांत चढ़ी पड़े ऑन दी अदर साइड अन्य पार्श्वे हु स्क्रम्बल्ड आउट दी राइटर एंड फाउंड माई सेल्फ सराउंडेड बाई एंड एगिटेटेड क्राउड ऑफ यंगर बॉयज एन एगिटेटेड क्राउड ऑफ यंगर बॉयज सराउंडेड दी राइटर तार चतुर्भागे घेरी गले युवक पिला माने जो घेरी गले एंड सेड यू आर इन फॉर इट तब तो ये ठीक अच्छे यस यू आर इन फॉर इट तब ठीक अच्छे दे सेड डू यू नो what you have done? तू कौन करछु तू जानू? Do you know तू जानू कि? What you have done तू कौन करिछु? इर्सी आमेरी सी होची आमेरी. He is in the 60th form. He is head of his house. तां घर से मुखिया. He is champion at Jaime. Jaime रे champion. He has got his football colors. Could understand? They continued to recount his many titles. तारो सबुतक पदवी गणिबा आरंभ करदे मन पकाइले. टाइटल टू फेम एंड रिवेरेंस. से तार जश एवं सम्मान पाई सब जहाँ सब टाइटल पाइतिला सबु गुड़ाक तापर बखाणी देले. राइट एक्सप्लेन्ड बिफोर देम. दे कंटिन्यूड टू recount his many titles to fame and reverence. Fame means जश, reverence you know that is सम्मान. And to dilate विस्तारित कले प्रसारित कले dilate upon the awful retribution भयंकर दंड that would fall upon him. हुए तो तापर कौन दंड विधान हम से कथा मध्य ताको विस्तारित वर्णना करदेले. Who said all this? The boy, the agitated younger boys who surrounded the author told all these things to the author. I was convulsed. ମୁଁ ଘାବରାଇ ଗଲି, ବିବ୍ରତ ହୋଇପଡ଼ିଲି. Not only with terror ଭୟ, କେବଳ ଭୟରେ ନୁହଁ, but with the guilt of sacrilege. ଏ ଯେଉଁ ଭୁଲ ପାଇଁ, ଏ ଯେଉଁ ଗୋଟେ indecent thing I did for this, for that I felt guilty. How could I tell his rank? ମୁଁ କେମିତି ତାର rank ପଦବୀ ଜାଣିବି, ତାର କ'ଣ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି? When he was in a bath towel and so small. ବହୁତ ଛୋଟ bath towel ଅଛି. So I could not understand him. I thought he was like me. I determined to apologize immediately. ମୁଁ ଏବେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ସଙ୍ଗେ ସଙ୍ଗେ ତାକୁ ଯାଇକିରି କ୍ଷମା ଭିକ୍ଷା ପ୍ରାର୍ଥନା କରିବି କି କ୍ଷମା ମାଗିନେବି. Who decided? The author. I approached the potent. ସେ ଯେଉଁ ବଳବାନ ଶକ୍ତିମାନ ପାଖକୁ ଗଲି, ପହଞ୍ଚିଲି. In a lively trepidation, ଭୟଙ୍କର ଭୟରେ, and said, I am very sorry. I said, I mistook you for a fourth form boy. ମୁଁ ଭାବିଥିଲି ତମ ଗୋଟେ fourth form boy. I had never guessed that you are in sixth form. You are so small that I thought you are in fourth form. You are so small, बहुत छोटो. He did not seem at all placid. The boy did not seem at all placid. शांत ହେଲା ଭଳି ଜଣା ପଡ଼ିଲାନି by this. So I added in a most brilliant recovery. ପୁଣି ଆଉଥରେ ଯୋଡ଼ି କହିଲେ, my father who is a great man, ମୋ ବାପା ଯିଏ ଗୋଟେ ବଡ଼ ଲୋକ, is also small. Who said it? Churchill. Churchill's father was a great man, but he was small. He said it. At this ଏଇଥିରେ he laughed. ସେ ପିଲା ହସିଦେଲା. And after some general remarks about my cheek, ମୋର ବିଷୟରେ କିଛି ରିମାର୍କ ପାଇ, impoliteness ଅଭଦ୍ରାମୀ କଥା ଶୁଣି, and how I had better be careful in the future. ଆଉ ମୁଁ କେମିତି ଭବିଷ୍ୟତରେ ବହୁତ ସଜାଗ ରହିବି. listening to all these things signified that she संकेत the child seemed that the incident was closed, and there was the end of the closure. That means there was the closure of the incident there. That means the boy forgave the writer. Now, glossary. repair for hours, go in large numbers. Meditative posture, thoughtful position, or that is dhyana magna avastha, ଥାଣି scrambled out, କାନ୍ଥ ଚଢ଼ି ଉପରକୁ ଉଠିବା, to come out as quickly as possible. Recount, that is narrate, ବ୍ୟାଖ୍ୟା କରିବା, ବର୍ଣ୍ଣନା କରିବା. Reverence, ଭୟ ମିଶ୍ରିତ ସମ୍ମାନ, that is respect. Dilate upon, to speak about a subject for long time, କୌଣସି ଏକ ନିର୍ଦ୍ଦିଷ୍ଟ ବିଷୟବସ୍ତୁ ଉପରେ ଦୀର୍ଘ ସମୟ ଧରି କହିବା. Awful retribution, fearful punishment, ଭୟଙ୍କର ଦଣ୍ଡ. Convulsed, shaking violently, that means ଭୟରେ ଥରିବା, କମ୍ପିବା, or ବିବ୍ରତ ହେଇଯିବା. Guilt of sacrilege, unhappy feeling for doing something wrong or sinful, କୌଣସି ଏକ ଭୁଲ କାମ ପାଇଁ ଭୁଲ ପାଇଁ ଅସୁଖ ଅନୁଭବ କରିବା, that is guilt, ମାନେ ନିଜକୁ ଦୋଷୀ ମଣିବା, ରାଇଟ୍, ଭୁଲ କାମ ପାଇଁ ଦୋଷୀ ମଣିବା. Potentate, a person who possesses great power, ଶକ୍ତିମାନ, ବଳବାନ, ବଳବାନ. Trepidation, a state of alarm or dread. Placate, to make somebody feel less angry, ଜଣଙ୍କର ରାଗ ଉପଶମ କରାଇବା. Cheeky, impoliteness. So today we discussed two, three paragraphs of plus 2 second year prose on examinations and made some difficult word drillings. We will have a more discussion in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.